What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to double tap the bell to get notified when I post new videos. Guys, we're back with another vlog. I'm excited to be back vlogging again. It is November the 2nd, if I'm not mistaken. So it's Saturday and I want to go shopping. And I want to bring you guys along with me to go shopping today. Yeah, I'm just in the mood to shop, and I was like, maybe I should vlog because I do need to put out another vlog. I just want a few things from Hermes. So we're going to Hermes. We're going to Saks Avenue. So yeah, I'm probably gonna vlog on my phone. I don't know, I sound like a little lousy and tired. Maybe because I am, maybe because I didn't sleep. I didn't get enough sleep last night, and I'm kind of hungry. But I'm just wearing this sweater from Uniqlo. My whole outfit is Uniqlo. It's like regular. It's nothing to really show you guys. But this sweater is from the men's section in Uniqlo. I'm starting to love men's sections better than like women's sections. So we're gonna do that, go get lunch. It's Saturday. I don't think I have anything crazy planned other than shopping. I just want to spend money. I want to go early Christmas shopping for myself. So let's go ahead and go. Guys, I'm in the Hermes dressing room. I'm about to try on this shirt. I need to leave this store because I'm spending too much money. So I gotta go. All right, guys, I'm just trying on this Hermes t-shirt. It's really basic, but yeah, I can fit it. I don't know if I want to get it though. Yeah, it's cute though. It's basic. All right, guys, so this is another color and orange. I'm not crazy about this shirt. I'm not crazy about spending money on this shirt, to be honest. Y'all, it is Monday. Last time I talked to you guys I went shopping Saturday, and I can say I spent so much money. Mind you, you can't record in Hermes, so I was not able to really record in there, but it's super nice. I spent a lot of money, you guys. I did damage. Let me show you guys. So you guys, this is everything I brought myself from Hermes. I was able to get a bag, which I am so shocked that I got a bag, you guys. Like, I just have to give y'all the tea about that. So yeah, I spent so much money. So the thing about the bag, so first of all, I checked out, like I bought I had a list of everything I wanted to buy from the store. I can say it was fully stocked. Like when I say Hermes, that Hermes store had everything stocked. I guess because they're at a new location, so they had so many trucks, like they had so much stock. Like you have to have everything. Like they had literally everything. I do want to film an unboxing for TikTok, so that's why this stuff is still pretty much on the table, because like I got it, you know, I got it on Saturday and it's Monday, and I just left it on the table this past weekend. So I kept seeing, yeah, when I was checking out, I kept seeing, I'm like, why do I keep seeing all these bags? Like they're literally, I seen somebody buy a Birkin, I seen somebody buy a Himalaya, I seen so many Pickertons. I was like, why are there so many bags, and why are they letting people just buy all these bags? So my sales associate, she was super nice, super helpful, and I was like, I cashed out, and then I was like, is there any way I can get a bag? She was like, what size, what color, what hardware? And I was just like, oh my god, like this was, it just happened so easily. But I did want to unbox a few things. I do want to save some for TikTok, so let me put you guys up. All right, y'all, so I'm about to unbox something. I'm really want to just get rid of these bags that's on my table, to be honest. Like I'm tired of looking at them. But I got these two samples. They was in cute boxes, but yeah, I took it out. They smell really good though. I don't think you guys can see. It is the oud something in the ombre Glow. I don't know, 2 sample perfumes they gave me, because I did end up buying a perfume, which is from their new, I think it's from their new collection or something. Which, yeah, I brought so much stuff, guys, and I am gonna, these are my receipts. And this is also what I bought. Like, I'm just gonna unbox these guys, box this with you guys, because I'm just like, there's just no point. So this is the cuticle oil that I got. I'm like, some stuff you like, it's just not that big of a deal, which is so cute. You see, I love YouTube. Like, most people would do this on TikTok. I'm like, I'll do this on YouTube. So this is a cuticle oil. It's so cute. It's just really basic. I've seen this girl buy it and I was like, I do need cuticle oil. I don't know why this is not focusing, but maybe because it's too much light. But cause I don't get my nails done. Like I'm just not the type of girl who get her nails done anymore. So I was like, yes, the cuticle oil, let's try it. I just need a little bit. Cause like, I'm a manicure girl, plain Jane girl. Rub it in. Okay, cuticle oil. Yeah, it has a smell to it though. It smells really good. It has an interesting smell. I think this is so cute. This is gonna go in my bag. I thought it came with something. And this is the top. The top is so pretty. So I had 2 free samples. I brought this cuticle oil, which was probably like $60, but guys, no, it's a big difference. I gotta put it on my other hand. The next thing I want to unbox with you guys is this perfume. It smells really good, really good. Barina perfume. It smells amazing. I got the mini size because, you know, I like them. I like small things, small things. And I'm gonna set this stuff up in my bathroom. This, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. It smells so good. Okay, how you do this? Let's see. I'm gonna spray it. It smells, y'all, it smells so good. It smells really good, oh my gosh. And you guys, I did want to unbox something else with you. I kind of already unboxed it. I'm just going to just show you guys because it's already unboxed. I got the, let me move this. I got the planner from Hermes in the MM size, which is super huge. So I mean, it's not a planner, it's a journal, excuse me. So I'm going to be using this journal for forever. I feel like I'm too much in the light, and it has the H symbol and made in France. Yeah, and then you could just get the refill. This is Togo leather, and I'm obsessed. So that's it. I do have more stuff I need to unbox, but I do want to film a TikTok on that stuff that I brought from Hermes. So I just really wanted to show you guys first on YouTube because I love YouTube. And yeah, I'll let you guys see what else I got. All right guys, let me show you the rest of the things I got from Hermes, because I just did my little TikTok, just something quick, simple, just wanted to get it over with, to be honest. So I'm gonna show you everything I just brought, the rest of the things that I didn't show you. All right guys, so this is my wallet. Unboxed it already on TikTok. I got the card holder, which I love, in the color black. No other color but black. So I thought it was super cute, simple, regular. I also got this Kelly belt, and it's so chic with, of course, gold hardware. So like, it can go with my bag. I got the Kelly 18 belt, which I love so much. And it's so crazy because I had a Saint Laurent belt, which I ended up selling because I lost weight and I couldn't fit it. So it was better off me selling it. But with this, if I lose weight or gain weight, this is adjustable to where I can just like, okay, let me pop this on. 1, 2, 3. It's never going nowhere. Like, this was like a good investment. So the next thing I need to show you guys is my bag, which is already unboxed, guys. I did it on TikTok. So this is the bag I ended up getting. It's a Picotin 18, which is so cute. I ordered an insert from Amazon, so because I don't want to mess up my bag, I was able to get a Picotin. Oh, and it comes with the lock and stuff on the inside. Lock and key, which I love. And yeah, it's just so nice. It says Hermes Paris on the inside. I'm gonna put my lock, and I'm gonna add a twilly. But this is my Picotin 18, which is so crazy because she was first. The first one was like, I wanted gold on gold, which is brown. And then I wanted like a beige color on gold. That was my second option. And my third option was black, of course, with gold hardware. And she brought me out the black with gold hardware. Like, I guess she knew. Like, I'm like, I have a Kelly, it's black. So I'm like, maybe I should step away from black bags. But to be honest, I need to be honest with myself. I love the color black. And why would I get another color when I love the color black? Like, black is my go-to. So I have a Picotin 18. And I love it so much. I'm gonna switch everything to this bag. Right now I just use like my Pauline bag to like do all my errands. This is gonna be my new errand bag. So I'm obsessed. I love this. Right now I'm not doing nothing for the rest of the day, to be honest. What's today? It's Monday. Yeah, your girl is not doing anything for the rest of the day. Like, I'm chilling for the rest of the day. I'm probably going to make some tea. I just want to have a chill Monday, to be honest. One thing about me, I need to figure out this YouTube. Like, I need to be consistent. I am going to upload this vlog today. So today is what? Today is November the 4th. And if you're watching this, what time is it? Because time went back. I think it's 3 something. And if you're watching this, this is how I look today in real time. And I'm gonna probably upload this video today at 6 o'clock. Like, oh, see, it's 3:23. I'm gonna upload this video around like 6 o'clock. I need to just start being consistent on YouTube. It's just like, I just don't know what to post. Like, of course I can vlog, but honestly, I feel like my life in Atlanta is kind of boring. Like, I feel like if I was to move to New York and live in New York, it would be more fun, more chic, more me, you know? And I need to catch you guys up on that move to New York. So I actually lived in New York for 6 months, 6, 7, 8 months. I lived in New York last year. So I moved back to Atlanta last year. Yeah, last year? Yeah, I moved back to Atlanta last year. And I did not vlog in New York at all. And it's so crazy. I'm like, why wasn't I vlogging in New York? Like, I was literally living in Manhattan and Washington Heights. Maybe because I was up a little, like, I mean, it's still Manhattan. But I wanted to move, like, y'all know I wanted to live on the Upper West Side. Like, if I was to move back to New York now, I would want to live on the Upper West Side or like Tribeca or Lower East Side. That's more my vibe. Or maybe Battery Park City, but then again, I like being around the water. But mostly like Tribeca, Upper West Side, and Lower East Side is where I would move to. But yeah, so I moved back to Atlanta. And Atlanta's boring to me, to be honest. Like, I don't do anything here. I don't really go out like that. I feel like when I'm in New York, I'm doing a lot more and I'm exploring a lot more. But for some reason here, like, I don't know, like, everything is up in the air with me right now. I'm still trying to decide if I'm about to move to New York or if I'm about to stay here. But I'm just like, yeah, I really genuinely don't know. I'm still trying to figure this out. Like, I'm really trying to figure it out. So that's the tea. I don't know. And I left New York because I had roommates. And one thing about me, I'm used to a certain lifestyle and living a certain way. And I was like, I will never in my life have roommates again. I don't even know what I was thinking, to be honest. I'm like, why would I think it was because it was last minute. But now at my big age, that will never happen. I'm never, ever, ever having roommates. I haven't had roommates since college. And I was living off campus, and I had roommates. But I'm just like, that would never happen. Like, New York is very expensive. I love New York, but New York is very expensive. My lifestyle is very expensive. And I want to live a soft life if I was to move to New York. And if I'm not living a soft life, I'm not going. Like, I need to be able to, you know, do whatever I want, go wherever I want. But right now, to be honest, really up in the air on what I'm gonna do. So I'm debating. I know this vlog was kind of whack. I need to make me some tea, to be honest, because my voice is going downhill. So I'm just really debating. I'm trying to get my life together. I want to post consistently on YouTube, but I just feel like it just be so boring. And it's just so boring. Like, I feel like I'd be so boring on YouTube in Atlanta. I don't know. I feel like I just do more in New York. So that's the reason why, but that's excuses also. I do want to start making more fashion content. Definitely need to get in my fashion content bag. Like, but I don't know. And you guys, I am still waiting for this frame. So I had brought a Hermes scarf in Tokyo. And I sent this frame, no, I gave this frame to Frame Bridge September the 26th. It is November the 4th. Why don't I have my frame yet? I'm getting so annoyed. It's supposed to be here this weekend, and it's just gonna fit perfectly in my apartment. I'm just trying to decide, what am I gonna do? My lease is about to end soon. So I'm trying to decide, girl, what are you doing? Are you gonna stay or are you gonna go? Like, I truly don't know. So that's where I'm at in life. I'm just trying to get myself together. And yeah, but that will be the end of this vlog. I know it could be boring, you know, because I ain't do nothing but show y'all stuff and sat down. But the next vlog, I'll probably, you know, try to go out and do things and show y'all like my day-to-day of what I be doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you loves in my next video. Bye guys.